Night hike. We're out at Northern Pond, just past sunset. Sun's going down, and I'm out for a little night hike. Figured I'd do some low light filming while I'm out here. And the pond is making noises tonight. There it is. That sound has been going on for quite a few weeks. There it is right there. You can hear it all around the lake when you're hiking. The Maine woods at night. It's pretty windy this afternoon. It's supposed to get down to 14 or 15 tonight, so things are freezing up. It's going to be pretty cold. There it is again. The sound emanating from the lake. Everything's popping and cracking thanks to the freezing temperatures and the wind. Thanks to everyone that commented on my last video that I put up. One viewer had a suggestion of bringing my banjo out here to the woods, and I think that's a fine idea, and I'm going to do that. Another suggestion was for a tune, The Rights of Man, so we'll probably be putting that one in the queue. So these are great suggestions, thank you. There's some stars up there. Stars overhead. So thanks everyone. We had a good time on my night hike with me, and we'll be doing more of them. Thanks for watching.